Hi, this is Deb from businessbuildingshortcuts.com. I want to talk to you today about a couple of simple but not so obvious, at least not obvious to me, things that you can do to increase your WordPress efficiency when you're making new blog posts and pages. So let's go live. Okay, here I am. I'm adding a new page. We use pages a lot in our membership sites instead of posts. It works the same way for posts, however. Here I am on Add a New Page. So what I would want to do is just type in a title, remind myself that this isn't real, type in whatever I wanted to put into this particular page, and now here's what I need to change. Because when we have wishlist member and a lot of other things, we're using thesis theme, and it adds a lot of different areas to change. It adds SEO details and additional style. We've got post image and thumbnail, JavaScript, multimedia box options, custom fields, discussion where I can set whether I want discussion on each page or post, who's the author, and then here is my wish list member information that I need to come down and assign each page or post to a membership level. So as you can see, this is long. I would be scrolling, I'd enter data, scroll on down, go back up. It was really kind of a pain. So one day I was playing around and I noticed something pretty cool. You may have already noticed this, but if you haven't, you're going to love this. I'm going to go back up to the top, scroll down just a little bit here. Look what happens when I click on this. It shrinks, it closes. So I'm just going to go through and close all of these. I need to scroll down just a little bit more. Close the discussion, close the author, and close wishlist members. So that's one way of getting to things that you need much faster, because now you can see that when I'm done entering the data for my page, right here, then I can just open up by clicking again. If I wanted to add information, I could just click it. Now there's one more really cool thing. Do you see how when I'm hovering over this, it turns into one of those little move symbols with the plus sign with the arrows? That should have been a big hint to me, but it wasn't until just a few days ago. So what I'm going to do, I don't use this regularly. This is a membership site, so people can't really find it unless they're members. I'm going to drag all of these down underneath wishlist member. So just left click and see how it kind of moves, and you see those moves. So I'm going to go down here and see that little empty space, to drop it right in there. Next one. Next one. Of course, if you wanted to leave some of these up there because you were using them, then you would. You can just arrange them in whatever order. Close that one again. In whatever order you want them to be, in the order in which you use them. What happened to my discussion? I moved it too fast. So now what I've got is that I can set my discussion for each individual post. I can do all my wishlist member, and I can set an author if it's different from me. So isn't that easy? That is just so cool. It makes it so much easier to go ahead and be efficient in your posting of new pages and new blog posts in WordPress, especially if you have a lot of different things you need to address. So if you'd like to get more useful tips like this, go to http://getssalesleadsandsellproducts.com. Opt in by entering your name and email address and click on the Get Instant Access button. You are going to get a page where you can create your own personalized username and password, and as soon as you've done that and sent it forward, then you will have instant access to the Fast Start section, where there are tons of tips and other useful information to help you get your business online and keep it moving smoothly.